This is a brand new website that we never talked about earlier on this channel, but it actually pays pretty well and it's all absolutely free, plus it works all over the world. Now, don't worry, you will not have to sell anything on those freelancing websites or film any videos or whatsoever. It's a lot easier and it can literally be done in less than 25 minutes by copy pasting, only if you follow all of the steps from this video. So if you want to make this work, you must be patient, watch every second of this video and stay tuned until the end to maximize your results. After that, you will need to take action because this is not going to fall from the sky. You will need to put in some work. But before we start and before I explain you everything, don't forget to drop a like to this video, leave a thumbs up if you love making money online, and if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to this channel. With you can see that this website will pay you $100 per person you refer to it. So you just need to refer 5 people to make $500, and I'm about to show you how you can do this in less than 25 minutes. I'm going to explain you exactly how you can promote it to make $500 again and again for absolutely free. And this has nothing to do with social media, so you don't need any social media followers for this, and you will once again not have to sell anything on those freelancing websites or whatsoever. So let us begin with step number 1. Step number 1, which you will need to complete, is you will need to come over to eclincher.com. This is over at the eclincher.com. Eclincher is a top-ranked social media management platform. This is the place where people, business owners, and entrepreneurs come to get their social media accounts managed for them. So let me give you an example. Let's say, for instance, you run some huge business. You run a restaurant and you're like 40 or 50 years old. Now you're busy managing your business, managing your restaurant. So you're busy working around your restaurant every single day, but you know the power of social media and you know how many new customers you can attract through social media. And nowadays, every single business out there needs at least some social media profile, and business owners know that, but they don't have the time to run social media accounts themselves, and that's why they turn to websites like eClincher, and they pay eClincher and different platforms, similar platforms, to manage their social media accounts and to grow those accounts for them. And that's why this works so well. A lot of business owners and entrepreneurs use these tools to outsource the work, and if you use eClincher, not only will you get all of your accounts managed for you, but you will guaranteed boost your social media ROI and grow your reach across channels, which is really good. So business owners will not only get their accounts managed, but they will even experience some growth on a regular weekly and monthly basis. So for the step number 1, I highly recommend you just go over to eclincher.com, go through this first page, read more about eClincher, find out more about how it works. You will be able to see that they have been featured in Forbes, ABC, the Huffington Post, Fox News, and so on and so forth. So just go through the website, learn more about them, and that's it for the step number 1. Step number 2. Once you've read more about eClincher, I want you to scroll all the way down to the bottom of the website, and right here where it says eClincher, I want you to click partner/affiliate. So you will become a partner of eClincher in order to make hundreds of dollars. You will see exactly how it works. Grow with eClincher. If you start promoting eClincher and you can get customers that are interested in getting their social media accounts managed, you will get $100 per each customer you refer, which is $500 for 5 people. And I'm literally going to show you how you can get it all done in less than 25 minutes. Once again, you can see get rewarded, turn your online presence into profit with up to $100 USD per paid eClincher subscription when the client uses your link to subscribe. So you will get your special affiliate link, which you will need to promote in a way which I'm about to share with you, and whenever someone uses it to sign up to eClincher, you will make $100. Once again, 5 people and you have $500. And the best thing is that you can do this for unlimited times. You can do it again and again and basically have an income which you can rely on every single month. So for the step number 2, you will just need to apply to their affiliate program by coming over to this affiliate page, and right here where it says apply here, just click that button. Now you will need to enter your valid email address in this box and enter your full name in these two boxes. If you have a website, you can leave a link to it right here. If you don't own a website, you can just use your YouTube channel URL. Even if you have no videos on it, you have no subscribers whatsoever, just use that link and paste it right here where it says website, and that will work. Then for the company name, you can also leave that blank if you don't own a company. Select your country, and you can see that they pretty much accept people from all over the world. So if your country is on this list, then this will work for you. As you can see, all of these countries are available. You will enter your phone number in this box, create a password, leave some of your social media links, agree to their terms of service and privacy policy by clicking on this link right here. You don't have to sign up as their email subscriber. I don't prefer to do that, so I always leave this blank so you don't have to fill this box. And after that, just hit sign up. You will wait for a couple of hours to get accepted. So now you can do pretty much whatever you want to. Just wait for that email from eClincher, and once you receive an email that you've got accepted into their affiliate program, you will be able to grab that special affiliate link and to start promoting this website. Once again, every person that signs up through your affiliate link will make you $100. You don't have to create anything, you don't have to sell anything, you don't have to provide any service. You just share your link and you collect your profits. It's simple as that. And now the last step, once you have been accepted into their partner program, once you can grab your affiliate link, which is probably going to be in a couple of hours, you grab your affiliate link, and now you just need to start driving traffic. And the best absolutely free traffic source which you can use are freelancing websites. Now don't worry, once again, you will not have to sell any freelancing services, you will not have to provide any services, and you don't even have to list anything for sale on these freelancing websites. You will see exactly how you will use it to attract customers for eClincher and to make $500 again and again. So you can use freelancing websites like People Per Hour, Fiverr.com, Freelancer.com, Truelancer.com, Upwork.com, Guru.com, QuickandGigs.com, and so on and so forth. There's a lot of different freelancing websites now there which you can leverage, and the more of them you use, the more money you will make. And I'm going to use peopleperhour.com just as an example, but once again, you can use any freelancing platform you prefer. You will come over to that freelancing website, you will go to the search bar, and I want you to search for the service called social media management. So type in the box social media management. That's gonna give you all of these people that are providing this service. As you can see, on People Per Hour alone, there are over 1,200 different results. Over 1,200 people making money by providing social media management service. And you can see that they're definitely making a lot of money. You can see, for instance, this person is selling the service for $155, and they've got over 8,000 feedbacks. And you know that not every single person will leave a feedback, so they've probably made over 10,000 sales at the price of $155 or $400 or $40 and so on. So they're definitely making a lot of money by providing this service. And now you can help them because they're probably spending hours and hours working for all of those customers. They probably work 10 hours a day or something like that. And now you can help them by providing them with eClincher, which is basically going to do all of the work for them for less than $100 a month. So for them, that's like up to $100 a month, and they can get all of the work done for them. So not only will they have a lot more time, but they will be able to help to a lot more clients, and they will be able to provide a lot more services and ultimately make a lot more money. So you're helping them grow their business by working less. And that's why these guys will be thankful when you offer them eClincher through your affiliate link. And you can see that this person is not the only person making money by providing the social media management service. For instance, this guy is also making a lot of money, over 1,200 feedbacks at a price of $15, starting at $15. And you can see all of these people are making a lot of money by providing social media management services. And you can contact them and you can tell them that you have the platform which is going to do all of the work for them, because they probably don't know about eClincher and they don't know how they can use it to get all of the work done for them, so they don't have to do it manually. But but you must be careful. You don't just want to go in the contact page and just type the message, hey, here's my affiliate link, sign up if you want to, because that way you will immediately get banned from all of these freelancing websites. It doesn't work like that. But rather than that, you want to take them off of the peopleperhour.com or any freelancing platform you're using. You want to take them off. You want to tell them, for example, hey, I have a website that is basically going to do all of the work for you, and it's going to help you make a lot more money with their services. If you want to learn more about it, you can email me here, or you can DM me on Instagram, or whatever contact details you want to give them. And once they contact you, then you can give them your affiliate link. But otherwise, admins and peopleperhour.com and Fiverr and freelancer.com, they will notice that you're just offering your affiliate link, and that is obviously against their policy, and they will remove you from the website. They will ban you from the website. So don't make that mistake, because if you do it like that, this will not work. You will not make any money, plus you will get banned from those freelancing websites. So you really want to avoid that mistake. Once again, you just need to grab your affiliate link from eclincher.com, come to some freelancing website, search for social media management, find all of these people providing the social media management service, and offer them eClincher through your affiliate link. And they will be thankful, because you're helping them. You're providing them with the platform which is going to replace their hard work, which is going to do all of the hard work for them. It will allow them to make a lot more money, and it's proven that they have high budget, and it's proven that they have money to invest into eClincher, and that's why this is a lot easier to sell than any other product. That's why this is 100% beginner friendly, and it can be done in way less than 25 minutes. You can contact like 50 people in less than 20 minutes. Just create one high converting message, copy and paste it to 50 people in less than 20 minutes, and you just need 5 of them to buy to make $500. Once again, you can do it again and again for unlimited times. Even if you sell only one per day, that's still $100 a day for less than 20 minutes of work from your computer, tablet, laptop, or even your smartphone device. So make sure to take advantage of this website. Once again, it's called eclincher.com, and their affiliate program will pay you $100 per each customer you refer. I hope you did get some value out of this video, and if you did, don't forget to drop a like to it, leave a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to this channel with notifications on so you don't miss out on any of the new content. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in some of the next videos.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.